Hello everyone, I'm Shauna. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new here, please like and subscribe for more Bath & Body Works content. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I really appreciate the support. So in this video, I would like to share a Bath & Body Works haul with you. I've got some body care, I've got some accessories, some home fragrance, a little bit of everything. So without further ado, let's jump in. And I was able to use my 2 coupons. I only had 2 coupons. The coupons were for a free Wallflower and also 20% off. And I think the Wallflower, I think you had to make a purchase with it. I'm not sure. I don't remember 100%, but really cute packaging. Look at that. So adorable. So let me show you what I got for my free Wallflower. I picked up, wait, I wasn't supposed to get Eucalyptus mint. Oh my gosh. I thought I was grabbing the lime one. This must have been in the wrong container. I mean, I like Eucalyptus, but I really wanted, there was a lime one that I thought I was grabbing. And because this is green, I really didn't question it. I guess I really didn't read it. But I'm trying to get this open for you guys. I might return this. Well, exchange it. No, can't get it open. It's too tight, but Eucalyptus mint. I think I'm going to exchange this anyway, you guys. So whatever, because I'm like obsessed with lime, and when I saw that lime one, I was like, oh yeah, I want that. I like eucalyptus, I don't really like mint, so I think I'll return that. Then I picked up this little gift bag, I guess. It's $2.50. Hello Sunshine, very tropical, very floral. And I like these little bags. They're very adorable. I like to actually sit these. I have a big one that I got before on my vanity, and I just put like odds and ends in it that I use like every day. Like I have my toothpaste in it, some skincare items just so that it can stay contained. But this is the mini one, but super duper cute. I'm sure I'll find a use for this. So cute. That's $2.50. Then I picked up Eucalyptus Rain candle, and it is a light blue wax. Oh, this is so nice and fresh, you guys. So the scent notes are aromatic eucalyptus, spearmint leaves, fresh spring rain, and I get all of that. I don't think I really get the spearmint. Maybe when I'm burning it, that will come out. But it smells like eucalyptus and like fresh air. Ooh, I really, really like this one. When I'm trying to relax, having a bath, I think this will be a good one. So I'm looking forward to burning that. I usually say warming because I'm a Scentsy consultant, wax and warmers. I also picked up Strawberry Pound Cake Lip Scrub. And I've been wanting to try this. Very, very pretty. It's got the sugar crystals in it, and it looks like some glitter. But this is the same consistency as Victoria's Secret's lip scrubs, which I'm obsessed with. I love these. They're like an oil, kind of like a petroleum jelly, but a lot thicker, with sugar crystals. They taste delicious. They're really sweet, and they're very, very greasy and moisturizing, which I love because put them on, exfoliate, and then when you rinse the sugar crystals off with the water, it still leaves your lips coated with that oil, and I really love it. I have a Victoria's Secret Candy Rose, which I totally love. Cute packaging. And yes, I would highly recommend this. I actually like this more than I do Lush lip scrub because Lush isn't very moisturizing. It's just it's like sugar with just like a little bit of oil. It's very, very hard, very dry. I definitely prefer Victoria's Secret, and now Bath and Body Works. Now, for the smell, this doesn't smell like strawberry pound cake. This just smells like strawberry chapstick. Strawberry chapstick. Yeah, I'm not getting strawberry pound cake at all. But that's fine. It does its job. I love these. So, yeah, got that. And that was part of the 2-for-1 for travel size. I also picked up Belize Tropical Cabana fragrance mist. My store only had the mini sprays. They didn't have the full-size body care for the new lineup. Let's see if they give me some scent notes. I wanted this one because it has banana in it, and I was hoping that it would be like Victoria's Secret's pink banana twist, which is like banana and lime, but I don't think it is. It's like a fruity banana. You do get a lot of banana though, which I love because I really, really do love banana scent. So I might have to get this in the full-size body care when it comes out. Belize. Oh, and you know what? They had the most adorable mini candles. Oh my gosh, you guys. They were the single wick candles, and they were in fluorescent, like neon packaging. Super duper cute. I'll go ahead and insert a picture, but the fragrances are Brighter Day, which is orange zest and sea spray. That one smells really good. Sunshine and Daffodils. Better Together, which is the Eucalyptus rain scent that I picked up in the 3-wick. Let Love Rule, which is raspberry tangerine. Kindness, which is vanilla bean. And isn't that just adorable packaging? And I kind of like the single wick candles. I feel like they hold the fragrance a little bit longer than the 3-wicks. At least as far as the bakery scents go with Bath and Body Works. On cold, they'll be really, really sweet. Like vanilla, pumpkin, marshmallow. I think that was it. Then when I burned it, the sweetness just dissipated. It just got burned off or something. But with the single wick, I feel like they hold their fragrance or something. It's just my opinion. So for body care, buy 3, get 2. I picked up Dahlia. I really, really, really love this. I did a review on that. I'll go ahead and link that video for you guys to check out. But originally, I did feel it was too overpowering, but I learned a trick. So now, instead of me doing the body cream, I do a body lotion and a shower gel. And then I'll mist myself very, very sparingly because this is a very strong performer. And with the body lotions, I typically don't buy the body lotions because I don't feel like they have as much fragrance as the body cream. But in the case of Dahlia, that would be a good thing because this is very, very noticeable, strong, floral performer. It's a great performer. So the scent notes are Velvet Dahlia Petals, Crisp Pear, Praline Musk, and Whipped Tonka Bean. And some of my subscribers said that this smells like Jessica Simpson's Fancy perfume. And I still haven't picked that up. I really need to. I'm trying to work through some of what I have. I have a ton of Prada. I have a ton of Juicy Couture and Victoria's Secret that I'm trying to work through. But I'm going to try Fancy because I really, really do enjoy this. So I picked up another body lotion. I'm actually going to use some right now because I really like this. And then I picked up another fragrance mist. Such pretty, elegant packaging. And I love the shower gel in this one. Just like whenever I'm in the mood for like a bougie shower, I use Dahlia because it lathers and it just smells so sophisticated. Oh, and I didn't finish telling you what I got for my buy 2 get 1 for travel size. I picked up a travel size body cream in Dahlia for my hands when I'm out. I can put that in my purse. So that was my buy 2 get 1 for travel size. Was the spray, this, and then the sugar scrub. And moving on with the full size body here, I picked up another raspberry jam donut in Lotion. So the scent notes are wild raspberry jam, powdered sugar, and warm fluffy donut. And I love the Bake Shop collection, you guys. Oh man, it smells like a raspberry donut. Bready, sugary, delicious donut. I love it. And so I had to get some more of these. Now I tend to go through my body creams more than I go through my fragrance mists. And I don't know if it's because, okay, so when I get out of the bath or shower 2 or 3 times a day, I'm like slathering myself down with the body cream after each time. And then throughout the day too, I'm also using these to add moisture to my hands because, you know, we're washing our hands constantly now and it's cold outside. So I'm constantly using these for my hands, and I really consciously, I use the fragrance mist. I layer it. Like right after I put on the body cream, I layer it with the fragrance mist. And then I may forget to reapply the fragrance mist. So I just go through the lotions and body creams like 10 times faster. Comment and let me know how it is for you guys. And let me know, how I can get through these quicker. I need to consciously remind myself. I need to put myself on a timer. Reapply. Because I don't get through them that fast. Then I picked up another strawberry pound cake because I love this one, you guys. I really do. So the scent notes are fresh strawberry, golden shortcake, and whipped cream. And you guys know how I feel about this if you follow me. This smells like a strawberry dessert. It's sweet, it's strawberry, it's sugary, and I get a cream cheese note. So in my opinion, strawberry cheesecake, it's delicious. I love this. I don't like to eat strawberry cheesecake, but I like to smell like it. Love strawberry pound cake. So I got another body cream. And then the dark horse of the Bake Shop collection is chocolate covered cherry. You guys, I really didn't think I would like this. So the scent notes are rich milk chocolate, red cherries, and sweet liqueur. And I don't like chocolate fragrances. I don't like to smell like chocolate. I don't want my environment to smell like chocolate. But this is a cherry Tootsie Pop. As soon as I smelled this, it took me back to childhood. A cherry Tootsie Pop, and I love cherry. And it's just the right amount of chocolate. It's so delicious, you guys. I did a review on this too. I'll link that video for you to check out. So yeah, I went ahead and got some more body creams from the Bake Shop, some more Dahlia because I was running a little low on that. So please comment and let me know if you were able to use your coupons, what you're looking forward to getting. I know there's some more coupons, and I just got some in the mail, so I'm like, yeah, I'm waiting for the Easter collection to come out so I can use those. But thank you so much for spending the past few minutes with me. And if you found this content helpful, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, friends.